Hola and welcome to ProSpanish. So the hardest part about learning to speak Spanish, it's kind of obvious, but strangely not often prioritized by most courses and teachers. And we can reduce it down to this. 1, getting the new words in your short-term memory. And 2, being able to put them together quickly enough for a conversation. So I'm going to show you how to do that now, and you'll learn a lot of practical Spanish on the way. And by the way, all the approaches that are used in this video are fully integrated into my Levels 1 to 6 ProSpanish course. So first up we have será. Será. What does será mean? Será means it will be. It will be. And this is quite easily forgotten, so we need a bit of a hook. Será. Okay, you might know the song K, well, in the English pronunciation, Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. And that's exactly it. Well, in Spanish, it would be Que sera, sera. So, what will be, will be. So, Que sera, sera means what will be, will be. So, será is will be or it will be. So, when you need to recall how to say it will be, then think of the song, and perhaps better to remember it in the Spanish pronunciation. So instead of que sera, sera, let's think of it as que será, será. So what will be, will be. So that's our first hook to help us remember. Next we have imposible, easy, impossible, imposible. How do you think you would say possible? Posible. Imposible, impossible, posible, possible. And can you think of any other words that end in IBLE in English? Well, there's terrible, so we could have terrible, terrible. There's flexible, flexible, flexible. And there's irresistible, irresistible. And let's go straight to the next one, complicado. Complicado is complicated. Complicado, complicated. Now, imposible, impossible, posible, possible, terrible, terrible, and complicado, complicado, complicated. These are already sticky words. We don't need to expend mental energy on them. So I'm actually going to just fade them away. I'm confident that you're not going to forget them. So when learning new vocabulary, new language, you need to prioritize a little bit on the more slippery words, not the words that already stick. Okay, let's try to put together some of what we've just learned. And you'll notice that I've actually faded all of the bits that we've learned. And the reason is because to make language go further into your memory, to become more embedded, we need to keep retrieving it. We need to keep trying to get it back before we've forgotten it. So, how would you say, let's put these two things together, how would you say, it will be impossible? It will be impossible. Now, if you're struggling to remember what it will be is, then just remember that song. So how would we say, put the two words together, it will be impossible? Será imposible. Será imposible. It will be impossible. And don't worry if you didn't remember it will be is será, because you've just had another opportunity to make it stick. So let's try again. How would you say it will be terrible? What would that be? It will be terrible. Será terrible. Será terrible. And what about complicated? Can you remember complicated? Complicado. So how would you say it will be complicated? Será complicado. Será complicado. Okay, so again, what I've done there is got you to retrieve será, it will be, before you forget it. Okay, next, más tarde. Más tarde. Más tarde is more late, but we would say later. Más tarde. And if we need a hook to help us remember tarde is late, well, think of tardy. If somebody is tardy, it's their late, their tardiness, their lateness. So tardy is late. Tarde is late. Más tarde, more late or later. And I could have done these as two separate words, más and tarde, but to kind of bundle it up into later means that we kill two birds with one stone, because you've also learned how to say more. How would you say more complicated? What would that be? More complicated. Más complicado. Más complicado. How about it will be more complicated? What would that be? So it will be, remember that? It will be more complicated. Será más complicado. Será más complicado. It will be more complicated. So you can see we're always reusing, recycling to help it stick more. How about it will be later? It will be later. What would that be? Será más tarde. Será más tarde. And next we have comprar. Comprar is to buy. Now I could come up with a little hook like comprar. It looks a bit like compare. So you're comparing prices. But you need to be careful not to overdo it with these, what we call aid memoirs, because sometimes you have so many that they get all muddled up. So sometimes you just think, okay, that's going to be a little bit more slippery, so I'm just going to have to go back and retrieve it a bit more often. So comprar, to buy. Comprar. And we'll just take a quick pause there while I mention our very popular Levels 1 to 6 course. This takes the complete beginner or a near beginner right up to a conversational level of Spanish in a series of very easy to follow steps. All the lessons on this YouTube channel are supplementary, whereas the core levels 1 to 6 is very much a step-by-step program delivered by the same teacher as all the other videos on the ProSpanish YouTube channel. And while the style is very similar to what you'll be used to from these videos on the channel, the key difference is that every lesson carefully builds on the previous lessons so that you can really feel that progress of going from very little or no Spanish up to a level where you can confidently hold a conversation in Spanish. So again, that's available exclusively from prospanish.co.uk. And the next one is terminarlo. Terminarlo, to finish it. Terminar is to finish. Add the lo on at the end means it. So terminarlo, to finish it. How would we just say to finish? Terminar. Terminar, to finish. To finish it, terminarlo. So the lo is it, but it actually sticks onto the end of the verb. And you'll notice that I chose terminar as the one to add the lo on, the it, to kind of show that little structural or grammar rule of being able to stick it on the end. And the reason is that terminar is quite easy to remember because it looks like terminate, to finish. Terminar, to terminate or to finish. And this careful selection of when and where and how to learn something is obviously a bit harder for you to do by yourself. It is, of course, a constant feature of the Levels 1 to 6 course, where all language is carefully selected and sequenced to make it as easy as possible for you to learn and to remember. So if terminarlo is to finish it, the lo on the end is the it, how would you say to buy it? To buy it, what would that be? Comprarlo. Comprarlo. So to buy, comprar, and we're just adding lo on. Comprarlo. Okay, let's put some of this together. How would you say it will be impossible to finish it? So just going to be three little blocks. It will be impossible to finish it. What would that be? Será imposible terminarlo. Será imposible terminarlo. So as well as getting the vocabulary into our short-term memory now, we're also working on putting the words together, and this is going to get quicker and quicker. Let's try another one. How would you say it will be more complicated? It will be more complicated to buy it. What would that be? Será más complicado comprarlo. Será más complicado comprarlo. Okay, next we have a tiempo. A tiempo is in time. A tiempo, in time. How would you say it will be in time? What would that be? It'll be in time. Será a tiempo. Será a tiempo. And how would you say it will be impossible to finish it in time? It will be impossible to finish it in time. What will that be? Será imposible terminarlo a tiempo. Será imposible terminarlo a tiempo. And last on our list we have volver. Volver, remember the V is always pronounced like a B in Spanish. So volver is to return. To return. Often we would say to come back or to go back. But in Spanish, one word, volver, to return. And perhaps your hook for this might be imagining, getting a picture in your head of a bulb, light bulb from volver, returning home after a long journey. So if you just create that image very quickly in your head of a light bulb returning home after a long journey, it will help you remember that volver is to return, to come back. How would you say it will be complicated to return, or it will be complicated to go back? What would that be? Será complicado volver. Será complicado volver. And maybe you'll say, it will be complicated to go back or to come back on time. So it will be complicated to return on time. What would that be? Será complicado volver a tiempo. Será complicado volver a tiempo. Okay, so we've made our language sticky by using hooks like será, what will be, tardy for late, and we used the opportunity to learn more at the same time, more late, más tarde, more tardy, and we've been sure to sequence to distribute more slippery language with language that is a bit easier to remember, is more memorable, like posible, imposible, terrible, and complicado. And to some extent, a tiempo, in time, is also quite easy to remember. And we've already started putting it together in conversational sentences. And before we do a bit more work on that fluency, we're just going to push the language a bit deeper into our memory by actively retrieving it again. So, what was the word for it will be? Can you remember? It will be is será. Será. Okay, será, será. Será. How did we say to finish it? What was to finish it? Think of to terminate it. Terminarlo. Terminarlo. To finish it. What was just to finish by itself without the it? Terminar. Terminar. How did we say late? So like tardy, late. What was that? Tarde. How about more late or later? Más tarde. Más tarde. What about to return? Think of that bulb, that light bulb coming back after a long journey, returning. Volver. Volver. Okay, let's get quicker at putting it all together. We'll start with a chain. So how do you say it will be? Será. How would you say it will be impossible? Será imposible. How do you say it will be impossible to finish it? Será imposible terminarlo. Será imposible terminarlo. How would you say it will be impossible to come back? Será imposible volver. Será imposible volver. And how would you say it will be possible, so not impossible, it will be possible to finish it later? What would that be? Será posible terminarlo más tarde. Será posible terminarlo más tarde. And let's substitute later with in time. How would you say it will be possible to finish it in time? Será posible terminarlo a tiempo. Será posible terminarlo a tiempo. And now let's substitute to finish it with to buy it. Comprarlo, to buy it. So it will be possible to buy it in time. Será posible comprarlo a tiempo. Será posible comprarlo a tiempo. And that's all we have time for today. So as mentioned earlier, the Levels 1 to 6 course, the Progressive Structured course, is available exclusively from ProSpanish.co.uk.